HGTECH, a key high-tech enterprise and leading organization in the laser industry, recently welcomed American customers to its facilities in an effort.
Well, I've been familiar with HG for many years. We were once a supplier to HG, and we know the company reasonably well. So I think, in terms of relationships, a company like HG can bring a lot to the table for a smaller company.
With the visit of American customers, HGTECH would like to deepen its understanding of American market and expand its reach by building strong partnerships and developing new business opportunities.
The applications area basically was very informative for me to see all the different applications and kind of the evolution of the company as well as the evolution of the product. The overall organization of the factory, the quality of the machines, and just the way that the business is run seems very impressive to me.
As a world-leading provider of laser equipment and intelligent manufacturing solutions, HGTECH is committed to providing innovative and reliable products and services to customers around the world.